Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with the beautiful idea for gifting in upcoming festive season, that is the handmade dry fruit box, which I will share from scratch. How to do the decorations, how to make the base box, everything I will share in step-by-step procedure. And the opening and closing is magnetic, so I will share how to make the magnetic closure as well. And inside this I have added lots of dry fruits and created 4 different partitions. So I will share these 4 partition technique as well in this video. And this is quite sturdy, stiff and hard, so you can hold up to 250 gram of weight in this box. Isn't it a great idea for gifting purpose? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking 28 by 24 centimeter light yellow cardstock, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 3.5 and 7 centimeters. So can you see the crease lines in 4 corners like this? Now we have to create some cuts in the corners. So first we have to cut 2 vertical lines till the second crease line like this. Then rotate your sheet and cutting this first flap. And on the second flap we have to cut from the center crease line. And then I am chopping a little slit on both sides of this flap so that we can construct the box easily. Now we have to cut the same corner in this side as well. So this is done. With the same method I am going to cut remaining 2 corners. So after cutting all 4 corners, it should look like this. Then folding each creased parts, burnish it nicely using bone folder. Then I am sticking the broad panel directly with the base using glue. And other 2 panels I am going to stick like this. Similarly, complete the right side of the box and the box is ready. Then here I am taking 18.8 by 16.8 pink color cardstock, and from all 4 sides I have creased at 3 and 6 centimeters. Here I am showing you the inner partition box. So we have to cut 4 corners just like we did before, and it should look like this after cutting and folding the crease parts. Now again I am constructing the box quickly. And the box is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with beautiful pattern paper, and I'm decorating it using this pattern paper only from inside. Do not need to add from outside, because anyways this is going to be the inner part of your big box, so the outer decoration will not be visible. All the supply links are given in description box with coupon code, so don't forget to check if you are buying something. Apply the coupon codes for extra discounts. So decoration is done. With the same method, I have prepared one more pink box and two light green color boxes with same measurements. So all four inner partition boxes are ready. Now taking back my bigger box which we have created earlier, and I have decorated the base only using pattern paper. Now we have to add one panel on both sides to create the stopper. So here I am taking 10 by 5 cm light yellow cardstock, and from top I have folded at 1.5 cm. So just decorating this outer bigger panel using pattern paper and then sticking it on left side of the box. So it will work as a stopper when we will add the lid. And then I am putting all my 4 small boxes inside this, and yes, they are fitting perfectly. That means our measurements are perfect. And if you wish, you can use a box as it is without partitions as well. Then to make lid, here I am taking 17 by 14.4 centimeters pink color cardstock. And from left side I have creased at 3 centimeters and 13.4 centimeters. I am telling you this measurement according to my box, but it can be little bit change for your box. So always measure first and then make a crease. Then decorating the outer part of the lid using pattern papers. Keeping the front part as it is because we are going to add magnet, and then adding lots of glue and sticking on back side of the box. And then it's time to attach the magnet on this part. So here I am taking double-sided tacky tape and using these metal coins as the base because they are very thin and they attracts with magnet. So it's nice idea to use metal coins instead of double magnets. It also helps to create thin layer of your magnetic closure. Now I'm just making some measurements for my coin attachment so that it will be in our right place. Then on top of this also I am adding double-sided tacky tape, removing the liners and decorating with pattern paper strip. Then on top I am attaching the magnets. So you just need to put the magnet, it will automatically get attracted to the base metal coin. So you will have the nice position. Again adding double-sided tacky tape, sticking my magnets, on top of this adding double-sided tacky tape again and decorating with pattern paper. And this is nicely attached and our magnetic closure is working really very fine. Then it's time to do the quilling decorations. So for this here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Now I am joining total 4 petals together and making the flower shape. So this is ready. With the same method I have already prepared lots of flowers and we need total 13 flowers to decorate our box. Now taking back my box, and exactly in the center of the lid I am putting my first flower, and then I am just extending the design. So this is ready, looking very beautiful, isn't it? Very elegant. Now to create the center part decoration, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color in 3mm and making one tight coil and sticking these tight coils inside the pink pattern. So this is completely ready. The pink and green combination is looking very attractive. Then on the outer side I am adding 4 yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip, and also adding 8 yellow tight coils in bigger size which are made using half strip of yellow color in 3mm. So this is completely ready, very nice. Then decorating the outer edge of the pattern using pearl chain, and here I am using my B7000 glue to stick the chain permanently. And then decorating both the edges of box using this beautiful border design. This is a die by Dress My Craft, and I have used here gold mirror cardstock and same pink cardstock which we have used to create box to make the border. Then adding few drop shaped green color stones in 4 corners, and also decorating the top of each flower using small size pink color stones. So I have decorated my box with some stones as well, and this is completely ready. These are very small size stones. I got the multicolor pack of small stones like this, so you can find it very easily in local store. These are I think 2mm stones, and now it's time to fill our box with dry fruits. So here I have filled my box with 4 different dry fruits like walnut, almond, pistachio and cashew. So it's all up to you what kind of dry fruits you have to put, and you can also fill it with chocolates, lamps, candles, whatever you like to gift it in upcoming festive season. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.